Hello there, fellow travelers, and welcome back to TikTok Answers. Today, we're diving into an environmentally meaningful topic, eco-friendly travels. Ever thought about how your travel adventures could impact the environment? Get ready to learn how simple choices can make a big difference for our planet. The excitement of travel comes with a responsibility to protect the places we visit. Eco-friendly travel is not just a trend, it's a movement that safeguards our planet's beauty for generations to come. Let's kickstart this journey with our first tip: pack light and smart. Traveling with a lighter suitcase causes fewer carbon emissions during transportation. Believe it or not, only airplanes contribute to 4% of human-induced global warming. Therefore, choose sustainable clothing to minimize your luggage weight. This will reduce the plane fuel consumption and your carbon footprint. Next, let's talk about reusable items. Instead of waving goodbye to Earth with single-use plastics, carry a reusable water bottle, a shopping bag, and your own set of cutlery. It's a small step that slashes your plastic footprint. This is crucial, because now there are islands of plastic floating in the ocean, some of those are bigger than the countries. Third, when it comes to lodging, choose accommodations that prioritize sustainability. Eco-friendly hotels and lodges implement energy-efficient practices and waste reduction. Supporting them means supporting a greener future. Here's a fourth idea: green transportation. Embrace public electric transport like trams, or bikes, or even your own feet to explore your destination. Some airlines even offer carbon offset programs to balance out the impact of your flights. What is carbon offset programs, you might ask? These initiatives help neutralize your carbon emissions by supporting environmental projects. It's like giving back to the planet for every mile traveled. Some airlines and organizations offer these programs, where you can contribute financially to projects that reduce greenhouse gases, like reforestation or renewable energy projects. It's a way to make your travel carbon neutral and reduce your overall impact on the environment. Next, while you're out, remember also to respect nature and wildlife. Stay on marked paths, respect wildlife habitats, and ensure that your presence leaves no trace behind. Remember that every drop counts. Our seventh tip is to conserve water and energy. Reuse towels, turn off lights, and regulate air conditioning to minimize waste. These simple steps save resources and energy, which leads to less carbon emissions and healthier planet. Furthermore, seek out sustainable activities. Engage in nature-based tours, wildlife observation, and hikes. There is a whole branch of eco-sustainable tourism that you might get interested in. Lastly, don't just keep it to yourself, spread the message. Share your eco-friendly travel experiences with friends and family. Inspire them to make greener choices and be a part of the global eco-conscious movement. In summary, eco-friendly travel isn't a buzzword, it's a commitment to a healthier planet. By adopting these eco-conscious travel tips, you're becoming a responsible explorer. Whether it's through choosing local experiences, cutting down on plastics, or supporting sustainable accommodations, every choice adds up to a better world. Thanks for joining TikTok Answers on this journey towards responsible travel. If you're passionate about exploring while caring for the planet, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with those who will benefit from it. Subscribe to TikTok Answers for more inspiring insights, and let's continue discovering the world responsibly, leaving behind a positive trail. And as always, be a lifelong learner. Until next time.